So I did an interview with this company called Zucker, and they're going to shoot that later on. They're going to edit it around. And basically, I just spoke about all the different products and services we offer and a little bit about our company, the history of our company. But this new thing that we did with Zucker, it was interesting. It was a video today, just got done with it down on the lanes. And when that becomes available, I'll talk to you about it later. Um, so we've got this week a lot of activity going on, and we're selling out our lanes for New Year's Eve. We've got lanes available for Christmas break, and all that is can be made, reservations made online. You just go on our website, pick the date and time you want a lane, and you can guarantee it. You can also walk in and get a lane. You just might have to wait sometimes. This week, the leagues are going to stop bowling over the break, so we're going to have more lanes available while the Christmas break is going on, when normally you can't get a lane at 7 p.m. because the leagues are bowling. So now during the break you can get a lane. So just remember that until about January 2nd, the lanes are going to be available. So we hope to see you out here more over the holidays and during the break. And we can host any size party if you just simply go to bowlingsale.com. You can go to collinsbowling.com. We've got a couple websites. They all link back to specific pages. I would recommend just going right to our website and surfing around on there and finding things. But you can buy online gift cards. We've got them discounted. They make great gifts. You can schedule your party and do it that way. You can see a lot of information on there. If you're a league bowler, you can access the records. We publish those and make them available, all of your averages and scores. You can view those every week. One of the real hidden values, if you're really wanting to save some money, is the gold membership. And that's not designed for everyone, but it is a rock bottom deal. You can bowl every day for free. You get 3 free games a day, and they are available during times when our lanes are available. Like, you can't get them on a Saturday night, but you can get them on weekdays, and we have a published time where those lanes are available every single day. And again, some people don't like the availability at those odd times, but that's the times that we can offer this. So you can still take advantage of it. For a cost of $10, you get 3 free games a day. You get $10 added back to your card that you can spend any time during, for food or beverages or shoe rental or however you want to spend it. So it's a great program in respect that you get that money right back to you when you spend $10. Plus, if you use it once or twice a month, it really pays for itself. You can use it more and really maximize the value of it. So that's the gold membership, found at collinsgold.com. And you might check that out. It's also on our website. You don't have to remember all these different websites. We just use them for different reasons to drive people specifically with pages that are easy to remember. So these are the kind of things that we like to talk about and we like to inform you about, that you can have fundraisers, special needs groups, company parties, any kind of thing like that. Birthday parties for kids are enormously successful. The parents like to bring their kids out here. And so on the weekends when we're extremely busy, it pays to make that reservation and lock it in so you don't have to wait. You just simply tell all your people, hey, we're going to come there and bowl. You set the time, you set up the time, lock it in, and you can flawlessly have a great outing. So try that out. It's VIP lane reservations. And at the time of now, we're doing New Year's Eve parties next week. And so, the week after Christmas. So those fill up every year. We sell out. So those are available right now as we speak online on our New Year's Eve link. So you can go right to our website and check that out. So I hope everyone has a happy holiday this season, and we'll look forward to seeing you out here at the center.